Before buying a mobility scooter, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Not all scooters are created equal, and understanding the subtle differences can make all the difference in your daily life. Product number 1: VOCIC Rollator Walker. The VOCIC walkers for seniors Z21 Rollator caught my eye because of its sturdy build and all-terrain capabilities, priced at $101.41. If you want a reliable walker that can handle different surfaces easily, this is worth a serious look. The ergonomic arc seat provides you a comfortable spot to rest, and it's lightweight so you can handle it easily. Plus, with dual height adjustments, you can customize it to fit your needs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of struggling with flimsy walkers that can't keep up with your active lifestyle, this one gives you the freedom to move around confidently. Now, some people complained about the weight limit, saying it might not be sufficient for all users. Here's the thing though, if you're under 350 pounds, you'll find this walker to be a great investment that offers stability and comfort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a robust walker that can handle various terrains. Skip this one if you need something more compact or if you're over the weight limit, but at this price point, it offers solid value for money. Now, if the weight limit of the VOCIC Rollator bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: Bless Reach Knee Scooter. The Bless Reach Deluxe Medical Scooter immediately stood out with its all-terrain capability and comfortable design, priced at $177.50. If you're recovering from an injury and need a reliable alternative to crutches, this is worth a serious look. This scooter features 11-inch front tires and 9-inch rear tires, allowing you to navigate various surfaces with ease from grass to gravel. It holds up to 300 pounds and has a comfortable padded knee brace that supports your leg, making it a pain-free option for those who can't use traditional crutches. The removable canvas bag is a nice touch for personal items. Here's why this matters for you. If you're tired of the instability and discomfort that comes with crutches, this knee scooter offers a stable and comfortable experience. Some reviews mention that it can be a bit bulky for smaller spaces. Here's the thing though, if you prioritize comfort and stability over compactness, this scooter is an excellent choice. This is perfect for you if you're recovering from foot or ankle surgery and want mobility without the strain of crutches. Skip this one if you need something more compact for tight spaces, but for the price, it's a solid investment in your recovery. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for maneuverability. Product number 3: Ecomobi MS01F Scooter. Next up, we have the Ecomobi MS01F Lightweight Foldable Mobility Scooter. This caught my attention for its ultralight 41 pounds design and affordable price, though the exact cost isn't listed yet. If you want a portable mobility solution that's easy to store, this is worth a serious look. The foldable design means you can easily lift it and stash it in your car or closet. It has a 55-inch turning radius, which is perfect for navigating tight indoor spaces. Plus, it offers battery options that can take you up to 35 miles on a single charge, so you can go further without worrying about recharging frequently. Here's why this matters for you. If you're seeking a scooter that's not just for home use but also for travel, this is ideal. However, some users mention that the lightweight construction might feel less sturdy for heavier users. Here's the thing though, if you're under 300 pounds, the lightweight nature actually enhances portability without sacrificing too much sturdiness. This is perfect for you if you want a scooter that's travel-friendly and easy to maneuver. Skip this one if you need something heavy-duty or more robust, but it's definitely a good value for the convenience it offers. Now, if the lightweight nature of the Ecomobi bothered you, the next product is built for more durability. Product number 4: Hoverfly T4 Scooter. The Hoverfly T4 mobility scooter is next on my list, and it caught my eye with its strong motor and emphasis on comfort, although the exact price isn't listed. If you're looking for a scooter that combines power with comfort, this is worth a serious look. This scooter can travel up to 12.4 miles per charge and supports riders up to 330 pounds. It features a strong 250W motor that can handle inclines easily, plus its 9-inch solid tires add to its stability. The extra-wide seat is a nice touch, designed to minimize back strain while making it easier to get on and off. Here's why this matters for you. If you're searching for a reliable scooter that doesn't skimp on comfort, this one checks all the boxes. Some complaints pointed out that it can be a bit heavy for some users to lift into vehicles. Here's the thing though, if you're prioritizing stability, the weight can contribute to a safer ride. This is perfect for you if you value comfort and stability in your mobility solution. Skip this one if you need something ultra-lightweight for transport, but it's a great value considering the features it offers. Now, if the weight of the Hoverfly T4 is a concern for you, this last product is all about heavy-duty performance. Product number 5, Ecomobi MS02 Plus Scooter. Finally, we have the Ecomobi MS02 Plus, a heavy-duty mobility scooter that promises serious power and range. While the price isn't listed, if you need something that can go the distance and handle rugged terrains, this is worth a serious look. The 10-inch tires and 4.5-inch ground clearance help you tackle various surfaces with ease. It even includes a windbreak plate for added comfort and storage. Here's why this matters for you. If you're looking for a scooter that can handle longer distances and challenging terrains, this one has you covered. However, some users found it bulky for everyday use in smaller spaces. Here's the thing though, if you need a heavy-duty option for outdoor use, this scooter provides the reliability you need. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a powerful and sturdy mobility option for outdoor adventures. Skip this one if you primarily need something for indoor use, but it's definitely a solid investment for those who need durability and range. In summary, we've looked at the VOCIC Rollator for all-terrain needs, the Blessreach knee scooter for injury recovery, the Ecomobi MS01F for portability, the Hoverfly T4 for comfort, and the Ecomobi MS02 Plus for heavy-duty performance. Each of these scooters has its strengths, so the right one really comes down to your specific needs and lifestyle. Whatever you choose, remember that the best scooter is the one that fits you best.